Hey! In front of me is REALME GT Master Edition, and today I would like to show you how you can add face data on this REALME. Start by opening Settings, then scroll down, select Passwords and Biometrics, click on Add Face and enter your current login method. When you're ready, just continue and follow the instructions over here. Remember to keep your face in frame. Then select Done. And now when I turn off my screen, after that turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!